Yes, congratulations to you Cameroonians. Yeah, congratulations to you Cameroonian youths and mostly the bloggers.
Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Cliff. If you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Like the video at the end, you can share the video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, in this video I'm just going to give my opinion, and also I'm going to summarize the video. But before we start by summarizing the video, this video is just all about Cameroon and Nigeria. As you all know, Cameroonians produce good music. Cameroonians, they sing in English and in French and other languages. Thus, they make their music to be so diverse and they produce good music. But the problem is that Cameroonians do not like consuming their own culture, their own entertainment, but they will go for other foreign contents, like especially in Nigeria. Cameroonians will always like to consume Nigerian entertainment, but they will not like to consume their own over their own entertainers produce. And so this guy in this video is trying to say that it's high time us Cameroonians will stand up and start consuming our culture and not consuming foreign culture, especially Nigeria, as there are cases where Cameroon event planners will host an event, and for them to invite local artists to promote them, they will go for foreign artists, especially Nigerian artists, and this really makes us make our entertainers look like so low in such a way that they cannot even call them for event planning. And also I would like to give my opinion on this video on that. Actually what this guy is saying is actually right, but it's actually wrong to an extent, because people have their opinion. You cannot force people to watch what they don't want, but you just need to encourage them to consume our culture. That's all I have to say, and let me know what you have to say after watching this video. And I think I'm just going to leave you here to watch the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video, guys.
And social media personalities, congratulations, BP upload. Una don the wise, una don start wise for una brain, for understand say Cameroon arts first, Cameroon culture first, Cameroon music first. Congratulations. I like the way una ignore this small boy from Nigeria, Joe Boy. Yes, I like the way una ignore him. Joe Boy presence for Cameroon, you know, be there like say some any fly be there for Cameroon. I like him. And this is the steps. Now the step this will go for take for this 2021. Bloggers, social media personality, anything concerning Nigeria music, any Nigeria artist where one come for Cameroon, una just ignore this Joe Boy. Yes. Because we know if she don't alive, watch Nigeria, they recolonize our culture. Never will it happen. This is 2021. Not to Nigerian music in Cameroon. We are tired of your greed. Nigerians will be tired for una greed. Una too greedy. Listen to me. Let me tell you something. Cameroonians. Nigerian man is a born greedy man. Nigeria, the born Nigerian man with greed inside blood. 90% of Nigeria people are born greedy inside their blood. Yes. Except my friend Uche Odupota and Prophet T.B. Joshua, where I don't see their act of kindness. Yes, Nigerian man is a born greedy man inside their blood. I'm not telling you things that I hear say. I have stayed with Nigerian people in so many countries abroad. I know their character. I have employed them. I have them so many who are my farmers in Binga and Jombonge. Yes, I have them who are my tenants. I know their character very, very well. It is either them, and them. And even if they have to give you something or do something for you, it will never be the act of love. That is the fake lie. And this is a warning. You Cameroon DJs, listen to me. You don't know what we are planning for you. We don't know what we are planning to you Cameroonian DJs. You and your proprietors of snack bars. Yes. We will be visiting your snack bars. If you dare play Nigerian music for inside snack, 3, 4 for line, you will regret the day when you become a DJ. Yes. I am telling you, I'm not telling you things that I hear. Any Jack and Jill artist, you want blow for Nigeria, Cameroon na chop farm, where they don't come for can carry baby back money, they go with them. From our first daughter, Brenda Bia, we disgraceful for Cameroon. He go carry whiskey, can't step elect for inside our presidency. Our presidency, when none of our artists of the now don't ever get opportunity for even cross first gate. Talk less of going right inside parlor for presidency. They go carry baby back money, giam for whiskey. In the name of favorite artists. We will get artists there for Cameroon, they die poor. If we share that money among them, 5 million, it will better their life. That disgrace, we cannot take it anymore. Yes, listen to me, you Nigerian artists. If any Cameroonian proprietor give you money for can play for Cameroon, don't take it. Oh, don't take it, because you will not like the way we will boo you in Cameroon. You will not like the way we will receive you in Cameroon. We will welcome you in Cameroon. Don't take it. And you Cameroonian proprietors, if you think you will be disgracing our act, disgracing our artists every blessed day, making them going poor every blessed day, it has stopped. 2021 is a different level day. We must bring back our culture. We must bring back our music. Yes, Nigeria artists, they are not talented more than Cameroon artists. You must know that. How many Nigerian artists, if he stands sing for inside one music, is sing 5 different languages? How many? For Cameroon, you go see one artist, he go sing for inside music, he go sing French, he go sing English, he go sing Pidgin, he go sing more than 3 different tribes and dialects. Is that not raw talent? Go for Nigeria snacks. I'm not telling you things that I am guessing. There is no year that will pass without me stepping my leg in Nigeria. And when I go to Nigeria, I will go for inside their snacks them, inside their inn, see how things that happen. My brother, you will never hear a Cameroon music playing inside any Nigeria snack in Nigeria, not by mistake. Never, even in the diaspora. Never, both the new school and the old school. If you ask Nigeria DJ to play Cameroon music, they will go and play Awilo Longoba. Wepa, that is what they know about Cameroon. This is evil. Never you will ever hear they invite some festival, also entertainment, whatever in Nigeria. Then you hear them invite any Cameroonian artists. Is where Cameroonian artists with 20 million views on YouTube? Is that not greed? That is greed. Nigerians are very selfish and we cannot tolerate that anymore. Check out. How many other artists from around Africa who goes to play in Nigeria? Never. Not because they are not talented, but because Nigerian man is born greedy inside the blood. We cannot tolerate that anymore. Until you start inviting our own artists too in Cameroon to come and chop naira. To come and chop naira because we are tired of giving you our franc CFA. We cannot tolerate it anymore. You will see someone pastor for Nigeria. He goes stand for a church. Cameroon is my second nation. I love Cameroon from the bottom of my heart. That is a lie. That is the lie of the devil. He loved that pastor, loved Cameroon because he can't do crusade, but they go carry big back money, carry and give. He go talk say those who they want sow seed for 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, they will can't sow them because Cameroonian them will be unamugu, will be unamumu, but we don't wise. We don't wise. You love Cameroon nation, you as a pastor, because you have your branches in your churches that they will be bringing tithe and offering every blessed day. My friend, you don't love Cameroon. You don't love Cameroon, and we don't wise. We don't wise. Cameroonians, let me ask you this. When was the last time you hear a Cameroonian citizen participating in Big Brother Niger? When? We are one of the greatest nations as entertainment is concerned in Africa. Cameroon is one of the greatest nations. We used to be very great, more than Nigeria, in entertainment. Before now, when was the last time you hear a candidate has even gone for audition to Big Brother Niger? Because they are greedy. They are looking at us as their moguls, their chofam. But it has ended this year. And you, the Minister of Arts and Culture, Sir Bidun Kwak, with all due respect, sir, you are not helping us. Yes, you are not helping us, sir. It's only in Cameroon you will see the Minister of Arts and Culture going to preside over a traditional ceremony dressed in suit up and down with tie with all your delegation. Sir, you are helping to delete our culture. In case you don't know, Sir Bidun Kwak, Our children don't know how to sing our traditional songs anymore. Our children don't know how to dance our traditional music anymore. Even the French one. Those in the Bikusi, they don't know how to dance Bikusi anymore. Those in the Douala, Sawa, they don't know anymore. Those in the Barondo, Bakweri, Bamenda, all, they don't know it anymore because, sir, you are not helping us. Sir Bidukwat, you have to put your voice into this issue. You have to put a total sanction. You have to stop all the roadside DJs now, not tomorrow. And you, the Cameroonian artists, let me call your name. All of you, Mr. Leo, Salatiel, you are one of the biggest. You have done collabo with Beyonce. You are supposed to be one of the richest artists now in Cameroon. You, Stanley Eno, Mr. Leo, all of you, Magasco, Loco, Ambe, Blanche Belly, Daphne, all of you, you are poor. Do you know why you are poor? Because your vision is very short. Your vision is very short. You are comfortable with your small 10 francs you are making. None of you can boast in the bank of having 20 million francs CFA. No one of you. Because why? You have not realized that you are walking like elephants and you are eating like flies. You are comfortable. You are in the better position to fight for this particular battle. Because if the culture come back, you will start making your money. But you are blind. I call you people slave spirit. This is the truth. Listen to me. Even in that same Nigeria, Two-Face Idibia fought and other artists, and they are enjoying today. Go to Ivory Coast. Arafat fought. Arafat fought the battle, and Arafat did not fight before become Arafat. Arafat fought when he was already rich. He was already rich. He had the name of DJ Arafat. You think I'm lying? Watch the video. Watch the video so that you know that the battle I'm fighting is a positive battle and is for you. Except you want to remain poor forever. Watch Arafat. This is Arafat.
Pourquoi créer les grands événements? Vous ne pouvez pas mettre des artistes du coupé décalé. On peut venir jouer en live devant les ministres, les fondateurs, devant des personnalités. On peut jouer en live. Pourquoi chaque fois vous prenez tous des artistes étrangers pour venir jouer chez nous? Est-ce que eux chez eux, quand il y a même événement, même si on va faire de la bande au Sénégal, est-ce qu'ils vont nous inviter pour venir chanter devant leur président ou bien leur ministre? Après, à respecter un peu les gens, c'est pas parce qu'on a décidé de changer qu'on est des PDR. Moi, c'est pas un PDR. On pèse pas mon cul.